Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to fix Fiverr account disabled and submit an appeal. So let's get started. First, open your browser and check your Fiverr account status. Over here, see if your account is temporarily or permanently disabled. After that, note that if it is temporarily disabled, you may need to wait up to 90 days. Then, understand that permanent disabled accounts cannot be recovered. Over here, wait for the trial period if your account is temporarily disabled. Then, keep checking your account status regularly. After that, try contacting Fiverr support to submit an appeal. Over here, explain your issue clearly and request account recovery. Then, submit your appeal and wait for Fiverr's response. After that, follow any further instructions they provide. Over here, remember that recovery depends on Fiverr's decision and account type. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.